This is Chris with the original Tractor Cab. Today we're installing Sunshade number 30630 onto the Bobcat ZT2000. Let's get started. We'll start by placing two 1/2 inch flat washers onto two 1/2 inch by 1 1/4 inch bolts, then placing it through the holes in the mower shown here. Then you'll place one of the receivers onto the bolts. And add your nylock nuts. Go ahead and put them on finger tight. Then repeat for the other side. Next, we'll assemble the sunshade frame. We'll start by putting together the two halves of the front bow, then placing the rear bow in between the two halves. We'll add a 1/4 inch by 5/8 bolt to the second set of two holes. Go ahead and add a nylock nut. Then do the same for the other side. Then you'll set the top bow over the other set of holes and use a 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch bolt. And go ahead and add a nylock nut. Go ahead and tighten these bolts. Next, we'll install the rear posts and the side braces. You'll place a 1/4 by 5/8 bolt through the hole in the rear post, then through the inner set of holes at the back of the rear bow. Go ahead and add a nylock nut, but leave it finger tight. Then you'll take a 1/4 inch by 5/8 bolt, go through the hole in the right hand brace and through the hole in the side of the rear bow. Go ahead and add a nylock nut. And do the same for the left hand brace. Then you'll attach the rear post to the side braces using a 1/4 by 1 1/4 inch bolt and a washer. Go through the hole in the post, then place the brace onto the bolt and add a nylock nut. Just put it on finger tight and do the same for the other post. You'll leave everything finger tight until it's fully installed. Next, we'll place the sunshade frame into the receivers. Then we'll tighten all the bolts left loose previously, starting with the receiver brackets. Next, we'll install the rear screen panel by placing it around the top frame and latching the Velcro. Then attaching the Velcro flaps around the receivers. And for our final step, we'll install the vinyl top by placing it on top of the frame, and then tucking the front of the frame into the pocket on the front of the vinyl top. Then coming to the back and tucking it over the frame. And then raising the top bow into place. And that's the installation of Sunshade number 30630 for the Bobcat ZT2000 and ZT3000. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Once again, this is Chris with the Original Tractor Cab. Have a great day.